Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Sweetie here and welcome to Sweet Trends TV. Trending in the news today, Shatta Wale'S former boss, Mr. Livingstone Abani, CEO of Madhauz Entertainment, has disclosed his HIV results, the latest one for that matter, to debunk rumors that he has the disease and has given it to Moesha, Boduong and other slay queens in Ghana. Yesterday, there was hot news all over the place after a Snapchat user called FatP made serious allegations about some top female celebrities as well as some slay queens in the industry, including Moesha, Boduong. Now, the top of the list included Shatta Wale'S former boss, Mr. Abani, who is the CEO of Madhauz Entertainment, who was accused of having HIV and was spreading it to the top slay queens in Ghana and beyond, including Moesha Boduong. Now, I brought you that video about Shatta Wale'S and Moesha Boduong's response with regards to these allegations. If you haven't watched that video, you can find it up here or in the description below. So news reaching our camp is that Mr. Livingstone Abani has disclosed his latest HIV test results, as you can see on your screen right now, to vindicate himself from the allegations being made by FatP. According to Mr. Abani, he has reported the matter to the police and also dares whoever is behind the FatP account to come out in public to prove all the allegations being made with hardcore evidence. Well guys, one down, several more to go. Mr. Abani has fired back with his own evidence, and so we're waiting on the likes of Moesha Boduong, Efia Odo, Sistefia and the rest of the people who are caught up in this scandal to also bring out their hardcore evidence to vindicate themselves. Let me know what you think about all of these in the comment section below guys. Thanks for watching. We'll follow the story and bring you more updates. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Leave a like on the video and share. And like I always say, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Look, saw them planes, all the dreams, we make that city proud though.